Okay, guys, welcome to Trinity FX Global. I just thought to show you guys a trade I took on Gbpjpy some few minutes ago. I already closed this trade, but I thought it twice to just record it here on my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome to Trinity FX Global. What I do here is I just document my life as a forex trader. Okay, and I basically trade the break and retest strategy mainly on the 1 hour charts. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame chart. Now I took this trade on Gbpjpy and the trade already smashed TP, and I'm going to be showing you guys the reason why I took this trade. If you sort of like content like this, please do want to smash the like button and consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. I document all of my trades here and I show you guys the reality of trading. Now let's dive in straight to the video. Okay, now the OGs know that most of the times it's a tradition for me that the first thing I want to do before taking any trades for the day is to get my daily bias. Okay, daily bias simply means what direction am I seeing the market as at the time I open my chart, what prevailing direction, what's the current market trend. Once I'm able to identify the current market trend, then I would want to look for an opportunity to continue with that trend. Now obviously, looking at the chart right here on this 1 hour chart, let me just zoom out a little bit. So looking at the 1 hour chart now right here, you can see that the market is in an uptrend. This is a no-brainer. This is very easy to understand and to see. So once I saw that the market was trending up, remember this is my 1 hour chart, right? So all I was watching out for was to take a buy trade. Now this was what I identified. Now if I zoom out a little bit, you would see something here. Since I wanted to take buy trades only, I spotted out a very good point of interest from this zone right here. Can you see this zone, guys? So this was the zone that I actually saw. This was the zone that I mapped out. This zone that you see right here. And the reason to which I mapped out this particular zone as my new support zone after market broke out from this level was because, one, I had price. As you can see right here, this has been a very good point of interest. This has been a very good zone, and when market broke out of it, we were actually expecting a retest back to the zone. Now most of you guys, you already know that I always want to enter my trades with confirmations of a fair value gap inside of my zone. So if you look closely right here, you will see that there was a fair value gap inside of here. So whilst I was waiting for price to break out my supply zone, which now acted as demand, I was expecting price to retrace back to this level to come and tap this my new support, which has a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap inside of it. Let me zoom in to show you so you can see it clearly. Can you see this green box right here? This green box you see right here is a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap, as you can see. So this particular candle, you see this big candle, this is the fair value gap right there. Okay, so the fair value gap is my confirmation. I always use fair value gaps as my confirmation before taking trades. So market came, price came, tapped into the new demand zone and began to go into my predicted direction. Okay, now this was the trade management. I was just risking 35 pips, as you can see right here, and I was targeting 128 pips. And as you can see, price just hit TP and I've already closed my trade. So this trade was a risk to reward ratio of 1:3.6. It's almost a 1:4 hour trade. So this was a very good one. Now before this trade happened, we actually had CPI today. Okay, we had CPI that happened and I was spiked out. I had to enter again immediately. Okay, I had to enter again immediately to ride up this trade because I knew that the buy would hold. Now this is for this particular trade. So in this trade, guys, I was able to take 128 pips, just risking 35 pips on this particular trade. As you can see, the uptrend is still very strong. Now this is the market structure for this particular trade. Remember, I told you guys, for you to really understand trading, you have to learn how to identify your market structure. As you can see, price dropped down to this level, we traced back up a little bit, came down again, went up, and gave us what? A double bottom. As you can see, can you see this double bottom that was formed here? So this was a neckline. So this level here was, sorry guys, this level right here was the neckline, and at the same time the change of character. So when price broke up to this level, automatically I knew that this level, this neckline right here you see, was my change of character. Are you getting it? So once you see something like this happen, you only want to watch out for buy setups, and you ride the trend to the upside. As you can see, market is still even shooting up to the upside, but I'm already out of this trade. Let me show you guys screenshot as evidence that I took this trade. Now this was the picture, the screenshot I took before closing out the trade. Okay, this was I was already placing my trade on break even right here. As you can see, let me change the color. Okay, this was it. I already placed my SL at break even right there. So this was the screenshot I took before closing the trade. Let's go straight to the chart and let me show you, okay, as proof that I took the trade. Now remember, this is our account. This is our FBS 500 USD account that we are still trading, as you can see right here. And trade, this is history, yes, for today. Let me just show you history for today. As you can see today, this is the only trade that I took. Remember I said CPI spiked me out initially. When I entered the two position, I was spiked out and I lost some few USD, as you can see right here, but I entered again immediately and I was able to recover, and we ended up the day with $54. Okay, so it's a very good way to trade for today, and this is the only trade I've taken for today. I'm not taking any other trade. As a matter of fact, I'm done for today. So this Gbpjpy was a very good trade. It was a very good buy. So that's it. I just thought to record it right here and keep it for reference purposes, and of course so that you guys can follow along and learn how to trade, break, and retest the right way using fair value gaps as confirmation. So if you sort of like content like this, continue to follow up on the channel while we trade this account together. Okay, let's see how much we can make on the 500 USD account. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching till this end. If you have questions, do what to use the comment section and I'll reply and respond back to you guys. Thank you very much for those that are subscribed, and please, if you're yet to subscribe, please, the only way you can encourage me to keep on posting all of my trades on this channel is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I promise to be transparent with you guys and show you guys the reality of trading. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.